Hello dear students, welcome back to science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about the chapter that is nutrition in animals. In the previous video we learnt about how the mechanism is taking place in amoeba, the nutrition is taking place in the amoeba, and nutrition in human beings also we learnt. Yes, we studied about how the nutrition is taking place in the human beings. Today in this class we are going to study how the nutrition is taking place in ruminants. Okay, ruminants are nothing but the animals who will store their food and they will chew the food continuously. Okay, for those we call ruminants animals. Okay, see here. You have observed everybody, the buffalo. I hope you have seen the buffalo. Okay, that buffalo will be chewing the food continuously. You have observed, yes, they whenever they are not eating also, but also they will be chewing the food continuously. Why? Because they will store the fodder in their stomach and again it will come back to their mouth and they will start chewing it. Okay, that fodder is nothing but what it is, we call it in Kannada that mevu. Yes, you all will put now for that buffalo. Okay, that is a fodder it is. Okay, fodder. Okay, see here, the animals that eat the fodder and store it in a part of the stomach are called rumen. What the animals they will do? They will eat the fodder. Okay, they will take that food and they will store it in a part of the stomach. They will store where they are storing that fodder. They are storing it in the part of the stomach. So, storing that part in the stomach is called as a rumen, we call. Okay, here food is partially digested and stored as a curd. Okay, see, food is not digested completely here. Just they will chew and they will store it in a stomach, and whenever they are not eating, no, that time again that where in the stomach part it will be stored, that stomach part stored food is again it will come back to the mouth and again they will start chewing whenever they are not eating. Okay, here partially digested, so we will call it half digested. Partial is nothing but a half digested food. Okay, here food is partially digested and stored as a curd. Whatever that stored part is there, no, for that we are calling a curd, we are calling CUD, curd. Okay, the process of chewing a curd is known as a rumination. What is then rumination? The process of chewing that curd, whatever that half digested food is there, no, that we call it, we are calling it as one term, that is curd we are calling. Yes, the process of chewing the curd is known as a rumination. Curd is nothing but, dear students, here it is a partially digested food. For a partially digested food, they given a one term, that is curd. Okay, the process of chewing of curd is known as a rumination. Here we are calling a rumination. Important those, remember the definition. What is rumination? The process of chewing a curd is known as a rumination. The animals who chew curd are called as a ruminants. Okay, the animals who chew that curd, who are storing that half partially food they will store, na, for those animals we are calling a ruminants. Okay, I hope you got the meaning of a ruminants now. Ruminants are nothing but the animals who will store their food in a stomach as a curd. Again they will take that curd and they will start chewing it. Such animals we are calling as a ruminants, we are calling. Okay, I hope you cleared the ruminants meaning. Okay, see here. See here, the stomach of a ruminant has a 4 chamber. Okay, see here, the stomach of a ruminant has a total 4 chambers. Okay, like first one is a rumen, next one is a reticulum, next one is a omasum, next one is a abomasum. These are the 4 chambers. They are present in the ruminant stomach. Okay, in the ruminant stomach there are totally 4 chambers. First one is a rumen, second one is a reticulum, third one is a omasum, and fourth one is a abomasum. These 4 chambered stomach is called as a compound stomach. The animals who are having a 4 chambered stomach, for them we are for that we are calling a compound stomach, we are calling, because it is made up of a 4 chambered, so we are calling a compound stomach. Okay, see here they have given the ruminant stomach image they have shown here. You can observe this one. See here, first part rumen will be present here. Rumen, the first part, the stomach of a ruminant, in that first chamber is a rumen chamber. Rumen is present here, dear students. You can observe clearly. Okay, next one is a reticulum. Next one is a reticulum is here. It is present here, reticulum. Next one is a omasum. Where is omasum? You can observe here. Omasum is present here, dear students. Okay. Third one is a abomasum. It is below here. Omasum is upper and abomasum is lower. Okay. It is at the lower part. Okay. This is the 4 chambers of a ruminant. Okay. Next we will study the process. See, the ruminant stomach they have given here, and they have given one buffaloes, they have given how that process will process of a nutrition ruminant stomach. Okay, see first, rumen is the first biggest chamber. We will study those 4 chambers each in detail. So first one is a rumen chamber. What is the function of this rumen chamber? See, it is the first biggest chamber. This rumen is there, no, see here you can see this whatever this colored part is there, no, this light in a brown, that all is rumen only. It is this all part is a rumen only. So what they are telling here, rumen is the first biggest chamber. In this chamber, the food enters and grinding of food takes place here. What happens here? The food will enter. The food is entering to the mouth here. Yes, the food it will first it will come through the mouth and it will enter to the rumen chamber. Okay, the first chamber, the first and the biggest chamber it is. Here what will happen? The food will enter and what it will do? It grinding here. Grinding of a food takes place here. Okay, you know the meaning of a grinding. So, grinding of the food will take place in the rumen chamber. Okay, next you see, it moves into the reticulum. Next, that whatever the grinding food has done, that it will move for the reticulum. Okay, next, from where it is returned into the mouth to be broken into smaller pieces and converted into a soft pulp called a curd. Okay, see here, next in that rumen it will first it will grinding will happen and it will store there in a rumen part, in a rumen chamber. Next what it will do, again it moves into the reticulum. Next it will move where? Here in the reticulum portion it will move here. Okay, from where it is returned into the mouth, again it will return to the mouth, again that buffalo will start chewing. Why it is to start chewing? Because to break that whatever that fodder is there, no, it will break into a smaller pieces. Okay, it will break into a smaller pieces and that will convert into soft pulp. When you eat something for a more time, that whatever will be eaten, it will become soft. In the same way, in the buffalo also, the whatever in the rumen, it will return to the again. It will reticulum. It will be there. It will come into the mouth again. It will make a soft pulp there. We will call it as a curd. We will call the curd mixes with the saliva and become a semi-liquid paste. Yes, that curd with the saliva it will mix. If it mix with the saliva, then it will become a semi-liquid. Yes, semi-liquid like a paste it will become. Next you see, then it is pushed directly into the third chamber, that is omasum. Okay, that whatever that semi-liquid paste is there, no, it will directly pushed to the third chamber, that is omasum. Where is that omasum? Here it is. You can observe that omasum is here. You can see here it is pushed directly from the second chamber. Whatever that process has taken place there, that semi-liquid paste it became in the second chamber. Okay, that it will directly push to the, that is the third chamber, that is omasum. Okay, next we will see. Next, what is the next process we will see. Okay. See, in the fourth chamber, digestive juice mixed with a semi-liquid curd. See, in the fourth chamber, we are in the fourth chamber, their digestive juice will be present. Okay, in the fourth chamber, digestive juice will be present. That juice, it will mix with the semi-liquid curd. That whatever the semi-liquid paste is there, no, it will mix with that. These juices break down the food into a simpler form. It will be in a paste form, no, that these juice, whatever the digestive juice is there, na, it will break down that food into a simpler form. The semi-digested food now enters the small intestine. From here, the remaining process of a digestion continues. That whatever that semi-digested, it is a semi-liquid paste it was, so it is a again semi-digested food only, that will enter into the small intestine of that ruminant. Okay, from here the remaining, that whatever the remaining digestion will be, it will start continuing. Animals like a cow, buffalo, sheep and deer are herbivores. Their food is rich in cellulose. Yes, you all know. These all are herbivorous animals. Yes, animals like a cow, buffalo, sheep and deer. These are herbivores. They will eat only plants and these. Okay, for those we call herbivorous animals. Yes, you all know very well what are herbivorous. The animals that eat only plants are called as herbivorous. Okay. That food, that whatever their food, whatever they are eating, that food, it will be very rich in cellulose. Okay, it will be very rich in cellulose. Cellulose is a complex sugar. Then what is cellulose? Cellulose is nothing but it is a complex sugar. Okay, it is a complex sugar and difficult to digest. As it is a complex in a nature, that cellulose is in a complex in its nature, it is very difficult to digest. Hence, they achieve the curd to break the cellulose in a simpler form. So again that cellulose to make it a simpler form, again that what they will do, they will start achieving that curd. They will start achieving that cellulose, achieving that curd to break down the cellulose in a simpler form. To make it again a simpler form, they start again chewing. Okay, this is the process of how the digestion is taking place in a ruminant stomach. Okay. Next we will see here, I will show the image here. See here, dear students, where is the small intestine? The small intestine is present here, and here the large intestine is there, and it has even how the human beings have esophagus, no, that is a food pipe. Even in these animals also there is a food pipe is present, esophagus is present. Why esophagus is necessary? To whatever the food the animal is taking, no, it should pass, that food is passed through this esophagus. Nothing but it is a food pipe we call. For the esophagus we are calling a food pipe. Okay, next see the next one, reticulum is there, omasum is there, next abomasum is there. This is the ruminant of a stomach it is. They have displayed here separate image also, and this is an cow. They have given one cow example here, dear students. Okay, I hope you have cleared how the nutrition will takes place in ruminants. Okay, you have got the meaning of ruminant also, I hope. Okay, next we will move for the different types of teeth. See here, different types of teeth. About the different types of teeth we will learn here. Okay, see here, all of us have two sets of teeth in our lifetime. Yes, we are having two sets we are having. Okay, the first one we have since our birth until we are about 6 to 7 years old. Okay, till the 6 to 7 years old we will be having one set of teeth. Okay, again that will break down and the second set of teeth will start growing. You all know very well, even you have passed that age. Yes or no, dear students, you have passed that age. First set will be before the age of 7 to 8 years. The next second will be after that we will get again the new set. Okay, that is a second. Okay, second set it is. Okay, see here, there are these are called a milk teeth. Whatever before 6 to 7 years will be for that we are calling a milk teeth or temporary teeth, because they will break down, so we are calling it as a temporary teeth. Remember, dear students, in our lifetime we are having two sets of teeth. One is a milk teeth or a temporary teeth, and second one is a permanent teeth. The second time whatever the teeth will come, those are permanent teeth. This before the 7 to 8 years, 6 to 7 years, the teeth will be there, those are temporary teeth. Remember this one. Okay, see here, an adult human has totally 32 teeth. You all know very well. In our mouth we are having total how many teeth? We are having 32 teeth. Okay, and our jaw has 16 teeth. Yes, our jaw has 16 teeth, and we are having again in that we are having different types of teeth we are having. Okay, we will study about the different types of teeth. You can observe here different types of teeth. How many types are there? There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. How many types are there? There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. See, different types of teeth. They have shown the image here, different types of teeth. First is the incisors and canines. First type is the incisors. Where is the incisors? Incisors are here. Okay, next one canine. This is a canine. Okay, next one is a premolars. Next one is a molars. This is the upper adult human dentination. Nothing but adult human teeth. These are. First one is the incisors. Second one is a canine. Next one is a premolar. Next one is a molars. Next one is a incisors. You can observe here. Again below part, incisors, canine, premolars and molars, upper and lower. We have upside also and downside also. We are having the teeth in our mouth. Okay, see, first one we will see about the incisor. What does the incisors teeth will say here? There are two pairs of incisors in each jaw. In our jaw, how many sets of two pairs are there? One upside and one downside. One set, two set. Pair is nothing but two. Okay, one pair is nothing but it consists of two. Okay, so how many pairs we are having? Two pairs of incisors. Remember, how many pairs of incisors are present in our jaw? There are two pairs of incisors are present in our jaw. They have a caisal like ends. Okay, see, caisal like ends. They are having a caisal like ends and are meant for cutting and biting. What is the function of these incisors? The function of these incisors is cutting and biting. For cutting the food or biting the food, these incisors will help. Okay, this is about the incisors. Next one we will see canines. Okay, canines. There are pair of canines in each jaw. Only one pair. Only one pair is there. This is one pair, upside one and downside one. A pair of canines in each jaw. They have pointed ends and are meant for tearing the food. Incisors are for cutting and biting, and for a canine are for tearing the food. Okay, tearing the food. And how they are? They are sharp. Okay, they are pointed or nothing but they are in a sharp. Pointed is nothing but a sharp it is. Canines are well developed in a carnivores. They are well developed in which carnivores. We will come under carnivores only. Human beings are also example for carnivores. Yes or no, dear students? Okay, so what they are telling? Canines are well developed in a carnivores. I hope you have cleared with these incisors and canines. There are two types. Remaining two types I will explain now. Okay, you can see. Next one is a premolars. See, what does this premolars will say? There are two pairs of premolars in each jaw. How many are there? There are total two pairs of premolars in each jaw. They are bigger than incisors. See, these premolars are bigger than incisors and canines. Bigger than incisors and bigger than canines. Which premolars? Okay. And are flattened on a top. They are flattened on a top and they are bigger in a size compared to the compared to incisors and canines. Premolars are bigger in a size and they are flattened. Remember, okay. There are 4 premolars, each on upper and lower jaws, 2 on either side. The surface of a premolar has a small humps which facilitate grinding and mastication of a food. Okay, we will see in the image here how it is. Then you will come to know very easily. Okay, see here, where are the premolars here? Here they are present. Okay, what does the premolars they told? There are 2 pairs of a premolars in each jaw. 2 pairs are there. See, premolars. This is first one and this is upper side one and upper jaw and lower jaw. Okay. Next what they told, as they are in a bigger in a size, these premolars are bigger in a size, these are, okay, compared to the incisors and canines. Okay, see there are 4 premolars each on a upper and a lower jaw. Total here 2, totally 4 premolars are there. The surface of a premolar has a small humps. See here, premolar surface has some small hump here. You can say what is a hump? Road brakes have humps. In the same way, here premolars have here. See, you can observe this is a hump here. Here also we have some hump. Okay, hump. We are having some humps which facilitate grinding and mastication of a food. For the grinding purpose, these premolars will help. Okay, next one we will see about the molars. See what does this molars will say. There are 3 pairs of molars in each jaw. How many pairs? 3 pairs. We have 12 molars totally. 3 pairs is nothing but totally we are having 12 molars. They are used to chew food. What is the function of these molars? They will help to chew the food. Molars are also flattened on a top. On the top these are flattened. Okay. See, carnivores is an animal that eat a flesh. Yes, carnivores will eat a flesh, meat they will eat. Yes, flesh is nothing but a meat they will eat. Even the human beings also they will eat the meat. Even some animals like a tiger, lion, they will eat even meat also, meat only. Okay, they have a highly developed canines to tear off a flesh easily. See here, for tearing of that flesh, they have a high developed canines. Okay. Their sharp incisors help to grab the prey, and the powerful molars and premolars slice through the flesh of and bones. See what is the function of these teeth here. See what they will do. The incisors are sharp. I told you. Okay. What they will do? Those incisors. What they will do? They will help to grab the prey. Okay. They will help to grab the flesh of that prey, and the powerful molars and premolars. The molars and premolars are very powerful, and they will slice through the flesh and bones. What they will make a slice. You know what is the meaning of a slice? Okay, with the help of a molars and a premolars. Okay, next one is here they have given some teeth of a cow they have given. See, you can observe the image how the teeth of a cow will be there. Incisors also it has a canines, it has a premolars and molars. In this manner, the teeth of a cow will be present. This is the lower jaws and this is the upper jaw. Okay, this is a teeth of a cow it is. Okay, next we see this is the teeth of a tiger it is. This is the teeth of tiger, how it will be seen. Incisors, canine, premolars and molar. This is again upper and this is again lower jaw. Okay, lower teeth it is. Molar, premolar. First molar will come here. Next premolar, canine and incisor. This is the teeth of a tiger it is, and this is the teeth of a cow as I have shown here. Okay, next we will see tusk of an elephant. You know, tusk of an elephant. Elephant will be having a tusk. Okay, you might have seen that the tusk will be very beautiful. Yes, of an elephant. They are actually elephant's incisors teeth. See, for animals tusk is an incisor. Remember, actually elephant's incisor is teeth, tusk. Okay, the dentination is seen in humans is adapted to an omnivorous diet. Next we will see teeth of a human. See here, teeth, the beautiful teeth of a human. You have, everybody have your teeth in your mouth. See here, we will see the parts here one by one. 32 permanent teeth. How many? We are having total 32 permanent teeth. Teeth of a human it is. Central incisors, lateral incisors, canines, first premolars, second premolars, first molars, second molars and third molars. This is the teeth of a human. Teeth of a cow also you saw, teeth of a tiger also. Next, tusk of an elephant. Tusk of an elephant acts as a, it acts as what? It acts as an incisor. Okay. Next, totally in a human mouth we are having total 32 permanent teeth. So, total we have developed how many teeth, dear students? We have developed the 4 types of teeth. Okay, incisors. First one is the incisors. First one is the incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Okay, they fit together to give a neat bite at a front side of a mouth and efficient chewing system at the back. So what these 32 teeth will help? They will help us to for the biting purpose and for chewing purpose they will help. We get the taste of a food using our tongue. Taste we are getting from a tongue. When the taste will come, when the teeth will bite and they will chew, we are getting that taste to the tongue we are getting. It contains a numerous taste buds. Why we are getting the taste at the tongue? Because that the tongue contains some taste buds. It has some on the tongue we are having some taste buds. So that taste buds acts as, they will function as taste for the taste purpose. Okay. Whether the type of food is a sweet or a sour, bitter or a hot, we can see that one from the tongue. Okay, dear students, we have completed this chapter. That is second chapter, nutrition in animals. read this lesson, dear students. You can mark the important points in your textbook and read properly, thoroughly, and I will give the question answers in a PDF form. You can write it down in your Facebook with a neat handwriting, and later we will go for the third chapter. Okay, thank you, dear students. Have a nice day. Bye.